Hello everyone, welcome to AD's Kitchen and Vlogs. So today we will be making watermelon juice and watermelon popsicle. So a useful tip for all beginners is that जब भी आप कुकिंग करना शुरू कर रहे हैं या कुछ बनाना शुरू कर रहे हैं तब आपको सारी चीज़ें एक जगह इकट्ठा कर लेना चाहिए ताकि आपसे कुछ मिस ना हो जाए. So let's start making the juice. So we have taken 1/4 of our watermelon right here and we're gonna start cutting it. So first we're gonna cut it from this portion. Aside. Now we are going to be taking all the watermelon pieces in the jar. My watermelons are seedless. If your watermelons have seed in them, be sure to take it out. Now I'm going to be giving mint leaves. Mint leaves are optional and they can be avoided, but the flavor that comes with mint leaves is very nice. Now I will be giving lemon juice. I've taken half a lemon and I'm squeezing the juice out of it. So now I'm going to be giving 3 ice cubes. You can give more or less according to your desire. So now I'm going to be giving honey. I'm going to be giving 1 tablespoon honey. You can give sugar as well, but then sugar is unhealthy, so that's why I won't be using sugar. Now I'm going to be giving half teaspoon chaat masala, just for taste. Out of all of this, you can skip anything, but I'm just giving it for a more enhanced taste. And yeah, we're now ready to blend this in the blender. Let's go. So now we're ready to pour our watermelon juice into a glass. So we are just gonna take the top off. And our watermelon juice is ready to be served. So now what we're going to do with the remaining juice is put it in the popsicles. If you have seen my orange juice popsicle video, you probably know that when people don't have molds, I have said that they can use a glass as well. So I'm just gonna show how the glass can be used to make a popsicle. So I'm gonna pour in the juice about halfway, and then I'm gonna cover it with the aluminum foil. Make it nice and tight. Then I'm gonna poke it in like that. Make sure my popsicle is straight. And yeah, our popsicles are ready to go into the freezer. In the place of popsicle, you can use a spoon as well. You can just, in the place of this, you can put a spoon inside and that works perfectly as well. So now our popsicles are ready to go into the freezer. Let's go. So now that our popsicles are in the freezer, it's time to taste our watermelon juice and let's see how it is. It's good, it's natural, it has a minty flavor to it, it has a lemony flavor to it, and overall it's a really nice juice. I like it. It's very healthy. You can use it for like when you're dieting or something. So yeah, I like it. It's nice. So it has been 6 to 7 hours and we are finally ready to uncover our popsicles from their molds. So I am excited. I have a jar of water ready here. Like I did in the previous video, same way I'm going to first dip the molds into water and then I'm going to take the ice cream out. look at that, that has come out beautifully. The texture is perfect. And your healthy popsicle ice cream is ready to be served. I truly love the taste of this popsicle because it has chaat masala flavor to it, and then there's mint in it, so it gives a very nice flavor to it overall. So that's it for today, everyone. I hope you all really liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Edie's Kitchen and Vlogs. Press the bell icon so that you never miss another update from our channel. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Until next time, goodbye.